Hello, geometry class. Long time no see. Seems like it's been a while since I've seen everybody because I was out that one day and then we were home for the storm. I want to show everyone how to access the online textbook and how to get to the actual page. I think some of you figured out how to get to the online textbook, but then how do you get to the actual page? Because it's a little confusing. So you want to go to the St. Lucie County School website. It's easier to go here. And then I'm going to go to parents and students. You can click it here and go here and then go high school resources. Or you could actually click it, but the main thing you get into high school resources. Okay, when you get to high school resources, you're looking for your book. And your book is Savage Realize. That's your book. I'm going to click it. Now, when yours comes up, it doesn't look like mine. It'll look similar, but mine is the teacher version. And I don't know how to change it to student version. I'm sure there's somehow way, but I don't know. So I'm going to click here. It says Savage Realize. Again, you're just following the student version. Should be similar. All right. Once you get here, look for the book, Envision Florida Best. And it's just going to pull up your book. This is all the resources that I have as a teacher. You probably don't have this many resources, but I'm going to look over here where it says student edition. Yours probably doesn't say teacher edition. So I'm going to click on student edition and use the interactive student edition. It's a little easier to navigate than the other one. And then I'm going to click it. I guess I need to actually click it. Thought I clicked it. All right, I'm going to open a new window and voila. Now I have my textbook online. And now the challenge, as soon as it comes up, the challenge is figuring out how to navigate this thing, how to find the page. I hadn't figured it out yet. Maybe when I get back, some of y'all can teach me, but I don't know how to just type in a page number. So you got to know what section we're on. So I'm going to click over here. I'm going to go to the table of contents. I'm looking for our page. Well, we are actually in topic 2. So I'm going to do the drop down. And the assignment that I gave you last was, let's go here first. Slopes. Now in this section, this is basically the whole textbook. You could go through and look at the examples because they're great. Just to kind of help you understand the concept. That's a great example there. But you're going to go to where it says practice and problem solving because that's where the problems I gave you. And I didn't give you those. I believe I gave you starting here. It was 15 through, I believe it was 24. But those are your problems. Set. And the way you do 15, well, I think when I explained this to some of you, I don't think I explained it right. I think I was completely wrong. So what you have to do is you have to write an equation for f of x and an equation for g of x, and then see if each one of those lines has the same slope. So I'm going to have the order pair 0, 20. I'm going to have 135. I'm going to have 250. I'm going to have 365. I'm going to use those sets of order pairs. I'm going to find the slope from either set. Once you find the slope, that's your slope for f of x. Because if I take any sets of those order pairs, the slope is going to be the same for those points. So I'm going to do the same for g of x. I'm going to look at the point 0, 22, 1, 37, 2, 52, and 3, 67. You got 4 order pairs. You can pick any 2 to find the slope. That's where you subtract the y divided by subtracting the x's. And you'll find the slope for g of x. And then you just need to compare them. It says compare the slopes. They're going to be the same. If they're the same, you know the lines are parallel. If the slopes are negative reciprocal of each other, you know the lines are perpendicular. And if it's neither, it's neither. That's how you do 15, 16. 17, for those, you just got to look at the points and find the slope and compare. So, all right, let me show you how to get to the other page I had to do. It was on topic 2 review. And I'm going to click here. This is at the back of the book. It's kind of weird. You want to go to, they kind of got it sectioned up. This is the first section. This is the next section. And this is the last section. And it's just that last page I gave you for the online textbook. So anyway, this is how you navigate to get to your online textbook. Hopefully this helps. So today is a great day if you need to do some work to get caught up on your online assignments, because I'm getting ready to go in there, and if you're missing something, I'm getting ready to probably not a grade that you want to see. So if you're missing something, go in there and finish it, and then whenever you're done, you can shoot me a text and say, hey, I'm finished, and I can update your grade. All right, see ya. Have a great day.